You see this particular look right here, you can actually achieve it using a packet hair. Now you don't have to break the bank or even tear your pocket to look expensive, okay? Even if you want to get the packet hair, ventilate, sell, and make a lot of profit, trust me, you can make 3 times a profit, because I know a lot of vendors on the streets of Instagram are selling this as a wig for 45,000 naira. If you don't know, you don't know. So come guys, let me show you the packet hair that you can actually use in achieving this beautiful look you're seeing here on the screen. But before that, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Sarah Oluwakemi, and on this channel I talk about everything that has to do with packet hairs. I share reviews, I share tips to help you. Even if you want to start up your own hair business, I can help you kickstart that without you making any mistakes. Okay, now guys, let us dive into the main video of today. Okay, I don't want to take too much time. Now this particular packet hair comes in 3 bundle and a matching padded closure. All you have to do is just buy ventilate using the padded closure. Okay, now I know a lot of you be talking about the price is expensive. No, this particular packet hair is being sold for 15,500 according to the time that I got it. So you might be getting it from other vendors for higher rates, while there are other vendors that are selling lesser. It depends on where you're buying from. Now, let us be honest, okay? Not everybody wants to spend 100,000 naira on hair, especially on this economy. I don't know about you, but it doesn't mean that you can't look expensive. Now, for those of us who are looking for something affordable that they can buy and sell and make a whole lot of profit, this particular packet hair is a very good choice, because you're going to be making times 3 of your profits if you know how to style your wig very well. Okay, trust me when I say that you don't need to do too much for this particular packet hair to pop. Now I know a lot of you be thinking it's a human hair. No, it is not. It's a blend hair that you can actually use to achieve this set of looks that are on the screen. Okay, now if you don't know how to style your hair, all you have to do is just give it to a professional and let them do the work for you and bring out the beauty. If you want to slay it, it's going to come out very beautiful. And if you know you want to sell, all you have to do is bring out the beauty of this packet hair, and trust me, you can even sell it for as high as 50,000 depending on your targeted audience. Okay, before I review the name of this packet hair, let me quickly say, if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, you're going to be on the losing side, because I'll be sharing helpful tips that can help you make a lot of profit or help you slay on a budget. Now, if you have any packet hair you want me to review on, leave it in the comment section and I'll post a video about it. Okay, now guys, the particular name of this packet hair is called Classic Alex, okay, or Alex Classic, anyone you want to call it. This particular packet hair also comes in 30 inches for those of you who don't like short length. Okay, now a lot of people do not like longer length as well. That's why the manufacturer had to produce a short length. Now all you have to do is just style this particular packet hair to perfection, and trust me, you're good to go. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.